Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by getting your VU TV online and authenticated so Google features can work. First, connect the TV to your Wi-Fi and confirm it shows an IP address. Network stability matters for app downloads. Once done, check for a system update and install it so compatibility is current. Make sure you have your Google account credentials, then add the account in Settings Accounts to enable syncing and access to the Play ecosystem. With your account active, open the Play Store or VU TV App Store and install the core Google apps you need: Google App, YouTube, Chrome, and Play Movies. Once installed, launch each app to accept required permissions. You must allow storage and microphone access for voice search to work. Next, enable Google Assistant or map the remote's voice button in settings so you can speak commands. Finally, sign into each app, if prompted, to keep recommendations and purchases synced. Now finish by testing the experience. Try a voice query to confirm Assistant responds, and cast a video from your phone or Chrome by tapping the cast icon. Rearrange apps on the home screen and set preferred inputs so navigation is faster, and enable auto updates to keep apps current. If something fails, reboot the TV first. If that doesn't fix it, verify Wi-Fi, and then clear the Google app cache or remove, and re-add your Google account to resolve sign.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.